So modules in Python. How do you create your own module? So Python is set of modules. If you observe math module contains all the inbuilt functions of mathematical transactions. So we use import math. So how do you create our own module? So look at the example here. A function is defined. The name of the function is greeting with one parameter name. And the function body is with only one statement, print hello plus name. So type the code, save this code as mymodule.py. So we are giving the name now. The name of the module is mymodule, and the file name is also mymodule.py. So a module is created with one function. Name of the function is greeting with function body a print statement. Then once a module is created, then how do you use? You have to use using import only. So look at that another program, import mymodule dot greeting. Import math dot sqrt. So mymodule dot greeting Jonathan, and this is passed to name, and you get the message hello Jonathan. So module name dot function name. So any type of module you can create yourself. A module can have functions or group of functions. Anything is possible. Look at this example. So we have person 1, name John, age 36, country Norway. This is a dictionary. The module can contain functions and variables of all data types like arrays, dictionaries, everything. So here we have a module with one dictionary. Now check it out. So import the module, and A is equal to module name dot person 1. Person 1 is the name of the dictionary, and age is the key. So print A. You get the concerned data. So you can name the module file, but one thing is you must have the file name extension .py only. Even you can create an alias. Look at this, import my module as mx. Mx is an alias here. Whenever I want to use my module dot something, I can use mx dot something. So look at that, A is equal to mx dot person 1 of age, the previous module with the dictionary. So we have many built-in modules in Python. I'm just giving a few here. So we have a platform module, import platform.system. Check it out what you get. So we have dir function. Dir function can be used on all modules. List all the defined names belonging to the concerned module. Basically, dir means directory. So what if I don't want the entire module to be used? See, I created a module named my module here with one function and one dictionary. The function is greeting and the dictionary name is person 1. Now the concept is You can choose to import only parts from a module by using from keyword. I don't want the entire thing in the module can be imported. I want to import only the part of it. So I have a function inside and I have a dictionary inside. So import only the dictionary I want. I don't want the entire module. So from my module import person1. So you can import the part from the created module if the module contains more than one thing. In my module we have one function which is defined and one direct dictionary is created. So I want only the dictionary from module name, import and the concerned data name. So when importing using the from keyword, do not use the module name. We don't need to give my module dot person1 age. Simply you just put print person1 age. That is enough.